So my uncle, which is like build stuff, which is pretty cool, made me cornhole. And it's for these guys right here. Cat vs. Pickles, which I showed off in my plush collection. So I'm going to see if I can make it. I'm not going to be embarrassed on camera. Gotta go back a little more. There's no way I just did that. That was completely off. Okay. Okay, we're steady on the hole. Bro. That was so close. Okay, we got touchdown, I think. I don't know. I don't really care about further names. Fail. Try to. I just want to let you guys know real quick. This was made for me, BSML, and my friend Knick Knack Plush Rex. And if you would go subscribe to him, he would be very grateful. Anyways, let's continue on with cornhole. Who knows? Maybe I'll record it with us playing. That was completely off. Why do I keep getting off, man? I'm embarrassing myself. Bro. Okay. Alright, ramen. I was close and I still didn't get it. Okay. Try 3. Okay. Once I get 2 of these and on one turn, the video ends. That's not going well. Bro, I'm gonna have to get these 2 in now. Steady. Damn it! Hey, that works. It works. Oh, this is actually pretty fun, though. I'm not gonna lie. So I have my new technique. There's no way I got it in first try. I did that on purpose, didn't I? You can't think. Try 4. I feel pain. Alright. Dang it. Okay. I definitely didn't get that time. At least I can get him in. Nope. Try 5. You're gonna be in for a long one. Okay. Damn it. Yes! Maybe you won't. I don't know. I have to just... God, come on, Lacey. I think that's your name. Yeah. There's a tag. Oh! Okay, guys. I want to thank you for watching. And maybe I will record me and Knick Knack Plush Rex and his brother playing cornhole. Can't promise. Goodbye.